Welcome to Snow Day. I'm a bit strange because I'm wearing a face mask, but it's about to begin. So we've escaped from watching Catfish and Food Network, and we've come out. It's not snowing yet, it's raining, but the snow's due in the next hour or so. Big clouds. Book of Mormon starting today. And there's the Paramount. Still no snow, but lots of peeps for Easter.
Hello. So we're coming from the rain to have a hot beverage. I have a chai latte and Mum has a hot chocolate. It's very rainy. It's still supposed to be snow. I'm very sceptical.
Look at that for a view. Well, it is snowing now, but it's very soggy type of snow. So we'll see how we get on. It's spoilt for choice here in Home Goods. Lots of Easter stuff. Horrible! Horrible! I didn't know what they were expecting, but all the shops are closed. Sephora's closed. And it's just a bit of wet snow. Anyway. Oh, quite snowy up there. So the Great Snow 2024 never came. We've had a rest though, and now we're out to see what is going on. So obviously the Boston Tea Party has to be shut because of the snow, of which there is none.
It's absolutely chocolate snow. It's so everywhere.
I know I have to get over my anger about the lack of snow, but I can hear some music from the time. So we've kind of come to this new area on the other side of the bridge, and the Trade Joe's is much bigger than the downtown one. It's beautiful. Well, the best thing to do on a no snow day is come to a bar. So Ella has got apple pie cider.
It's very nice.
Doesn't say like apple pie, doesn't taste mine for me. Triple jam. Cheers.
Cheers.
Exciting. So that was a very exciting arrival at this Mexican place, Lolita, with the steaming granita with a shot of tequila. So very exciting. Our second stop. The first base was the City Brew Works. We had cauliflower, it's very nice. But this is very exciting. Got so excited by our food, but we've got Brussels sprout tacos and Mexican fried rice. Now Ella's gone to the bathroom just as the tourists have arrived. Bad times. Just when a restaurant can't get any better. Look at that. Candy floss. This is very good.
Yeah.
Boston skyline. So our last evening in Boston has been lovely, and probably our vlog will continue into tomorrow. Good night.
Night.
Freezing this morning. It's our last morning here at Boston. Very good later. Watched far too much Catfish again, but today we're off to Harvard.
Okay, so we've made it to Harvard, as you can tell by this massive H. It's not actually Harvard, though, it's more in that way.
Harvard's over here. The bus. There's Harvard Square. So we're here in the Friendly Toast. It's very exciting. There's a breakfast involving a donuts with eggs in, which I think we're going to both have. Which is very cute in here. Ella's got her Elwood's outfit on for Valentine's Day. It's very cute indeed. Delicious. Finally going in Tate. Our last coffee. Finally inside the State House. So the time has come to head off back to the airport. It's been amazing, a lovely time. Thank you, each other. It's been great.
Thank you.
See you for our next adventure.